In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all notes from Evernote. If you've been using Evernote for a while, you probably have a lot of important information stored there. Work notes, personal ideas, receipts, or research. Exporting your notes is a great way to create a backup, move your content to another app, or simply keep an offline archive that you control. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simplest way to export all your notes at once using the Evernote desktop app on either Windows or Mac. First, open the Evernote desktop application and make sure you're signed in and fully synced. Give it a moment to finish syncing so that your latest changes are included in the export. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see different sections like Notes and Tasks. To start, click either Notes or Tasks in that sidebar. Clicking Notes is usually the easiest way because it shows everything in one place. Once your notes are visible, we're going to select all of them at once. On Windows, press Ctrl and A together on your keyboard. On a Mac, press Command and A. You should see all of your notes become highlighted, indicating they're selected. If you have a lot of notes, it might take a second, so don't worry if the app pauses briefly. With everything selected, move your mouse over any one of the highlighted notes, then right-click. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Export. This is the command that lets you save your notes out of Evernote and onto your computer. Next, you'll be asked to choose a file format. This choice is important. If you want a true Evernote backup that you can re-import into Evernote later, choose the INX format. This is Evernote's native export file type and preserves things like note content, attachments, and basic structure, making it ideal for backups or migration to another Evernote account. If your main goal is to easily view your notes outside of Evernote or open them in a web browser without any special software, choose HTML. This will create files you can open in any browser and is useful for archiving or sharing readable versions of your notes. After selecting the format, choose a folder on your computer where you want the exported file to be saved, then click Export. Depending on how many notes you have and how large they are, this process might take a little time. Once it's done, you'll have a complete export of your Evernote notes safely stored on your machine.